Hola, clase. So this is an activity that we did during class, during our virtual class. However, if I know sometimes people have computer problems or they walk away for a minute and then by the time they come back, they feel lost. So I wanted to record this. If you were there during class and you want to hear it again, that's totally fine. If you weren't there during class, then this is for you to listen to. And yeah, so anyway, so what we're going to do is read through a kind of a short version of the Presto story that you should have watched the video for. There's a movie talk where I did a video. And it's with the Pixar short film Presto, which is about a magician. So the instructions, oh, you also might be able to hear my cat in the background. She's very loud today. So what I would like for you to do is, as I go through it, you read each slide, you look at the pictures, you try and make sure that you understand it. You won't necessarily understand every single word, but you'll get most of it. There are some Super 7 verbs that I want to emphasize, and they're here on this slide, right? So we've got está, sale, which means leaves, but not like the leaf on a tree. Leaves like exits, goes out, comes out. Quiere, which we know as wants. Tiene, which we know as has. Le gusta, which we know is likes, and puede means can or is able to. So then also we've got some question words that I'll go over in class. ¿Quién means who? ¿Qué means what? ¿Cómo se llama means how are they called or what's their name? And then ¿dónde means where. This is kind of like playing Dora. So in class, I told everybody, don't turn on your microphone, don't shout into the meet what the answers are. But you know how when you were a little kid and you would watch Dora or Blue's Clues, maybe I'm too old for that, and you would say the answers, you would talk back to the TV, do that today. So if I say, ¿Quién quiere la zanahoria? Who wants the carrot? Then you would yell, Alec, Alec, right? Because that's the name of the bunny. Okay? All right. I'm going to click to the next slide. So reading strategies. This applies to this where it's just a little sentence on every page like a children's book, but also in the assignment that you're going to see after this. You look for clues in the pictures, of course, and you look for baseball words. Remember, the baseball words or cognates are words that are really similar between English and Spanish. So if I say actual, that is spelled exactly like actual. It sounds different, but actual and actual mean pretty much the same thing. So you're looking for baseball words. Check for the Super 7 verbs. Those are the verbs that we just went over, and especially those 3 verbs that we've been fighting with this week, which is, of course, tiene, quiere, and me gusta. Then also look for the words that you know from background knowledge. When I was a kid, we went to a restaurant called Casa Blanca. It was located in a white house. Blanca means white. So I knew from a really young age, Casa Blanca means white house, right? Grande, you might already know from your background knowledge. There's a lot of things that you probably already know because, you're not a blank slate coming into this class. Make guesses about the meaning. You might not know every single word, and that's okay. All right? So again, as I read out loud, Dora rules apply. Okay? All right. ¿Listos? Listos. Hay un hombre que tiene un sombrero mágico. Hay un conejo. Es un conejo blanco, ¿sí? El conejo tiene hambre. El conejo quiere la zanahoria. ¿Qué quiere el conejo? Sí, quiere la zanahoria. Cuando el hombre pone algo en el sombrero azul, sale del sombrero negro. El conejo quiere la zanahoria, pero no puede tenerlo. El hombre, el hombre, no quiere darle la zanahoria. El hombre y el conejo están en un teatro grande con muchas personas en la audiencia. ¿Cuántas personas? Muchas personas. El conejo quiere la zanahoria, pero el hombre no quiere darle la zanahoria. Entonces, hay una trampa de ratas en el sombrero. Después, hay un huevo en el ojo del hombre. Después, el hombre no tiene pantalones. Después de muchas cosas, finalmente el hombre le da al conejo la zanahoria y el conejo está feliz. La audiencia aplaude mucho. El fin.